Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the DiamondBoxx SUB8.2. Now you can pick this one up online. I'll throw the link up in the description. The price on this one, $950. I repeat, $950. All right, so let's go through the specs. Now this is a portable sub. The battery life on this is 40 hours on a single charge, 6 hours if you play it at max volume, and it takes 8 hours to fully charge up. Now it's made out of MDF wood with a Duratex coating and aircraft grade aluminum front panel. Now it's IP54 water resistant. The speaker weighs 39.5 pounds, so it's a big boy. Now you got 400 watts total max power from 4-channel class AB amplifiers, which is 200 watts RMS. Now you got Bluetooth aptX HD, you got auxiliary in and out, and true wireless stereo. So you can pair two of these together wirelessly, or you can daisy chain as many as you want using the aux cables. And of course, since this is a DiamondBoxx, you got a 2-carat CZ diamond that measures your battery level and true wireless stereo mode. All right, so all of that for $950. Let's see what it is. Now this video is going to be a little bit different than my usual unboxing and then test it live and give y'all my opinion. I've been using this all day, so I'm ready to give you my opinion right now. On a scale of 1 to 10, this speaker is a major go. Now, if you're new to my channel, that's a quad major. That's the highest ranking that I give. This is the truth, okay? Now, look, let me just say this. If you got a DiamondBoxx XL2, take $950 and put it to the side right now. All right, if you got a DiamondBoxx L3, M3, if you got the old Model L, or any other Bluetooth speaker that has an auxiliary input, and you want to add a ridiculous amount of bass to it, take $950 and put it to the side. Now, look, if you like me, you ordered this speaker in December, and y'all know they had a shortage of chips, so I'm just now getting it. So when I unboxed it this morning and started playing with it, I thought I was going to have one or two reactions. Either I was going to be very disappointed since I've been waiting since December, and right now I'm basically 6 for 6 with DiamondBoxx products. Every DiamondBoxx speaker that I have is the best in that class. So I thought I was going to be very disappointed, or I was going to be blown away. It's the second one. I am blown away. I know some of y'all going to say $950. The price is TGH. No. This is worth every penny. Let's take a look at this. All right, so here's what you get in the box. You got the plug. You got a 3.5 cable. You got a thank you card, the user's instructions, also known as the usual books and shit. You got a DiamondBoxx troll sticker. And it comes with some replaceable knobs. Now you got the blue knobs pre-installed, but you got gold, black, and red. All right, so here's how the speaker looks from the front. On the top, got a nice leather carrying handle. All Duratex material going around the side, so this is weatherproof. On the front, got your aluminum panel. Got a big port right here, metal speaker grills. And let's take a look at the knobs. Now you got your DiamondBoxx branding. You got your 3 knobs, which you can change the colors. You got bass EQ, volume, and crossover. Now bass EQ controls the amount of bass, volume controls the volume, and crossover controls the bass frequency. You got your power button, you got your LED indicator lights, and you got your true wireless stereo button. Now here's how the speaker looks from the back. Again, all MDF wood, coated in Duratex. Beautiful. This thing is built like a tank. Now here's a closer look at the back. You got 2 auxiliary inputs, 2 outputs, and your DC input. That's going to be for your power. Now on one side, you got 4 rubber stoppers. This way you can lay the speaker horizontally, or you can stand it up vertically. Now you got the same 4 rubber stoppers on the bottom, again, so you can use this horizontally or vertically. All right, so the first thing we got to do is test out the actual bass. Now I paired this up using Bluetooth. I got the bass EQ on 0, the volume on max, and the crossover on 0. So this is 0 bass and 0 bass frequency. Now on a side note, make sure you put on your headphones or watch this video using a quality system, but it doesn't matter, all right? You can never really feel bass unless you hear it in person, but try to listen anyway, all right? Here we go. Now watch when this bass kicks in. Remember, the bass EQ is on 0, frequency on 0. crazy. Now I'm gonna increase the bass EQ. That's max, and here's max frequency. Now y'all know this is one of my test songs. Let me drop it down a little bit. This is how I like it. Now feel this bass real quick. Now let me turn it down a little bit more. Now, I know what y'all saying. All it sounds like is let me connect another speaker to the top and let them blend together. Now I'm going to start off with a non-DiamondBoxx speaker. All right, let's try a Jbl Xtreme. All right, so here's the perfect test to show you how much more bass the Sub 2 adds to a portable speaker. Now on the left, I got a Jbl Xtreme paired up to an iPhone. On the right, I got another Jbl Xtreme paired up to an iPhone and a Sub 2. Now I'm going to start off with the regular Jbl Xtreme. Listen to this. Now here's the Jbl Xtreme paired up to a Sub 2. Bro, do you hear the difference? Now look, again, this video is not going to do it justice, but I'm sitting right in front of the speaker. It sounds incredible. Now on a side note, DiamondBoxx recommends playing the speaker on the floor, close to a wall. All right, so I got it on the floor, but sometimes you're going to be outside. You won't necessarily be by a wall, but play it on the floor. You're going to get the best sound. One more time. Here's just the Jbl Xtreme. Listen closely. Now here's the Xtreme with the Sub 2. Bro, this is insane. Now check this out. All right, so now here's my personal opinion. If you're gonna spend $950 on this sub, the Bluetooth speaker that you want is a DiamondBoxx speaker. Now you can start off small with the M3, or you can go to the L3, or get the big boy. Now check this out. You just heard the Jbl Xtreme. Now everybody knows the Xtreme is cool, but the M3 kills that speaker. Listen to the M3 paired up with the sub. Check this out. Let's go! Oh, okay, hold on. Now, y'all can't see me back here smiling. This combination right here sounds amazing. All right? Now, if you like the M3 and you think this one sounds amazing, check this out. All right, so look at this. Now, if you pair up an M3 with the Sub 2, that's craziness. But if you pair up an L3 with the Sub 2, this is madness. Listen to this. y'all hear this? Now, again, this video is not doing it justice. Bro, my nipples are mad hard right now. But I want to show y'all one more thing, all right? Y'all already seen craziness and madness. Watch this. All right, so you've seen craziness. You've seen madness. This is ludicrous. All right, if you got a DiamondBoxx XL2 and a DiamondBoxx SUB8.2, you will have achieved ludicrous status. Now, on a side note, if you got a DiamondBoxx XL2, the real question isn't should you buy this. The question is, when are you going to buy this and achieve ludicrous status? Listen to this. Now, I had to move the camera back some, and I had to turn the bass down so the camera doesn't blow up. But watch this. This is me speechless right now. Now, I'm sitting in front of both of these speakers. It feels like I'm sitting in front of an air conditioner. This is ludicrous right here. Now, I could just go off the charts and connect all of the speakers together, but that doesn't make any sense because the mic is just going to explode. Trust me. Trust me when I tell you, if you're going to spend some money on a portable system, buy a DiamondBoxx XL2 and a DiamondBoxx SUB8.2. This is going to literally blow your mind. And if you sit too close to it, it will blow your head off. Let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, so overall, on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving the DiamondBoxx SUB8.2 a major go. This was 100% worth the wait and 100% worth the price. Now remember, you can pair this up to any Bluetooth speaker that has an auxiliary port, but if you want to get crazy, if you want to get into madness and you want to get into ludicrous mode, trust me when I tell you, pair it up with a DiamondBoxx speaker. This is going to blow your mind. Anyway, DiamondBoxx SUB8.2, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about this one. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Boxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces. Spot on the beam up. Energize.
I want everybody to subscribe to Flossy Carter for the real tech reviews. Now, Flossy Carter, we know you flossy. Now, guess what? I'm flashy. Money May all day, the one and only. Flossy Carter, you part of the money team.